Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Change the World on guitar. We'll begin by mastering the four fundamental open chords, G, D, M, and C. Focus on clear articulation for each chord and practice transitioning smoothly between them. Standard tuning is essential for achieving the correct sound, so make sure your guitar is properly tuned before you start. This foundation is crucial for playing the entire song effectively. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern, which is key to the song's feel. The primary pattern involves a sequence of down, down-up, up, and then down-up strokes. It's important to maintain a consistent tempo across all sections of the song, from the verses to the chorus. Keep your wrist relaxed and loose. This will help you achieve a natural, flowing rhythm that truly brings the music to life. Understanding the song structure will greatly enhance your playing. The verses generally follow a straightforward progression of G, D, M, and C. You'll find the chorus often utilizes a very similar sequence, making it easier to learn. However, pay close attention to the bridge section, as it might introduce some subtle yet important variations in the chord progression, adding depth to the song. To truly master this song, consistent and smart practice is essential. Start by practicing at a slow tempo with a metronome. This builds accuracy before you increase speed. Actively listen to the original recording to internalize the song's feel, timing, and nuances. Finally, record yourself playing. This allows you to objectively identify areas needing improvement, helping you refine your performance and achieve your best sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.